Bollywood didn't fall behind overnight. It chose to. While Korean content is breaking barriers, building global fandoms, and exploring new genres with emotional maturity, Bollywood is stuck in loop of remakes, nepotism, and disconnection from real India. Like, come on, don't get me started on whatever our cheese was. Let's start with the root. Bollywood lacks conviction, not because there are no good ideas, but it's like they don't believe that new stories, new voices, and new faces can succeed. So they play it safe. In mainstream Bollywood, the conviction to execute fresh ideas just isn't there. Instead, they keep defaulting to the easy route, remakes. There is more guaranteed money in recreating a known hit than risking something new. It's business, not art. It's about profits, not stories. Movies like Lal Singh Chaddha, Rocky Handsome, and Bharat flopped miserably, and yet the remake machine doesn't stop. Even TV shows are being copied poorly into Indian settings, losing all their original charm. Why? Because originality is risky. When too much money gets involved, vision dies. Producers want safe return, not storytelling whisks and bow to the pressure of the commercial cycle. It's not a lack of creativity, it's a lack of faith in that creativity. There is deep resistance to the change, as if experimenting with new genres or storytelling formats might alienate the audiences. But what they don't realize is today's audience is already evolving. They're consuming word cinemas, reading subtitles, and craving stories with emotional and narrative depth. Bollywood's refusal to break the mold is not just lazy, it's self-sabotaging. And nepotism only fuels the decay. New talent is blocked out. Same 10 actors, same recycled expressions, same roles. Will K-dramas constantly bring in new, talented actors who own their roles and bring freshness to the screen? Their stars become stars after proving their worth, not before. And it is not just casting. K-dramas experiment with everything. Sci-fi romances, psychological thrillers, slice of life, historical fantasy, you name it, and they pull it off. Meanwhile, Bollywood stays stuck in its masala action romance comfort zone, clinging to a formula that stopped working years ago. The younger Bollywood generation has failed to bring something new. The actors seem more interested in building Instagram presence than the characters. K-dramas, in comparison, feature actors who dive deep into the roles, making even a simple love story feel refreshing. And while Korean content is being watched in 100 plus countries, what does Bollywood offer in return? A few exceptions like Lapata Ladies or Andhadhun aside, the output is mostly forgettable. Yes, Indian content can be loved. Movies like Three Idiots or Rang De Basanti still resonate, but this requires a good story, actors who can bring the characters into life. Meanwhile, K-dramas keep delivering. With compelling screenplays, sharp direction, and a strong grip on human emotion, they continue to evolve. Bollywood, for the most part, refuses to catch up. Until Bollywood learns to trust new ideas, invent in talent without surnames, and get back in touch with its cultural roots, it will keep churning out films.